Hello and welcome to EB Solution, www.ebsolutions.com. So, in this video, you will get to know how you can upload your videos to our website. It will describe you how you can upload videos to YouTube, how you can use those videos to upload it to our website, and also how you can directly use the video to upload on our website. To upload videos to YouTube, you first need to log into your YouTube account. It is recommended that you make a new YouTube account which you should use to upload your course related videos. Then you need to go to Creator Studio link on drop down menu, which will appear if you would click on display pic of your account on right hand side. Now select the camera icon on the right hand side and then select upload video. Now on upload video screen, press the public icon and change the listing from public to unlisted. Select the file to upload or drag and drop the file to the field. Once uploaded, press the done button on the right hand side of progress bar. Now log into your account on ebsolution.com. If you are a new mentor and want to create a new login, then use the Become an Instructor section on the lower portion of our home page by clicking on the Start Teaching link. The registration process of the mentor is already uploaded on our website on the home page, so you may check the registration process from there. The video is available on our home page with title Mentor Registration. Join us now. After registration is completed, enter your credential in our login page to access your account. Now to add a new course, you have to select the My Courses section. On the left hand side, you will find the third tab below your profile pic. Now, once you have selected the My Courses tab, you will get the heading My Courses, and just on the right side of it, you will get a plus icon. You need to press the plus icon to add a new course. On clicking the plus icon, you will get the screen as below, and you have to fill all the information. You need to be careful while filling this information. Please select an appropriate category for the course. Choose an appropriate course filter. The course filter has three options: whether it's a business related course, whether it's an education related course, or whether it's a skill course. You need to upload an image which must be 370 pixel into 218 pixel dimension. You can choose to upload a video directly from your PC, but for the site currently, the video size is restricted to 10 MB. Or you may choose to upload a video from your YouTube account. The upload process to YouTube is already been told at the start. To upload a video from YouTube, you need to copy the embedded code. You can copy the same by clicking on the share button, copying the link and using only the video ID for the same. The example of the video ID has been mentioned in the image attached. The same video ID is also mentioned on the URL of the YouTube while you are watching the video. Once all the information is filled in the course tab, press the save button to save the course. Now you are ready to add the chapters to your course and further add lectures within each chapter. To add chapter, go to My Course tab and then click on Add Chapter icon on your course. Suitable title to your chapter, for example chapter 1, and then click Save. Chapter will get added to your course. Now add a lecture further to your chapter by clicking on the Content icon. Now in Content page, you have to click plus icon to add a new lecture. Fill all the required fields for your lecture. You need to give a suitable title to your lecture. For example, in chapter 1 it could be lecture 1, then lecture 2 in chapter 1, then lecture 3. Process to upload the video to YouTube embedded code is same as for adding the video of my course. Clicking on save button will add the lecture. In this section you will get to choose whether you want to keep your video as a paid video or a free video. It is recommended that you keep some of your initial video as free videos so that student can see the demo lecture before investing in your course. A student, after seeing some demo classes, feels more comfortable in investing in the class. You may also use an additional code which is recommended, and the code is as displayed on the screen. This code can be used after the YouTube video ID which you are using to embed the YouTube video on our website. This code will enhance the user's experience while the video is being viewed. Thanks for your time. Please feel free to contact me for your any queries. I'll be always ready to assist you in whatsoever manner I can. This is me, Ankit Kapoor, signing off as of now.